I'm like, oh, the rice method's perfect.
Yay, I'm excited to see this perfect rice.
Nervous.
Don't be.
Today we're going to be making a Chilli Beef Burrito Bowl, which is one of the HelloFresh Calorie Smart recipes. It's got loads of delicious toppings. Hi, I'm Mimi, Recipe Development Manager at HelloFresh, and I'm here with Nat, one of the amazing D360 coaches. So Nat, can you just tell us a bit about what the program is?
Yes, of course. So I'm one of 4 coaches for the D360 program. We host live cooking sessions and workouts and little mindset workshops and help coach our members so that they can ultimately lead really healthy and happy lifestyles.
Nice, let's get cooking. First, we are going to get our rice on. So this is our fail-safe way of cooking rice.
I'm very excited to learn this.
So we use double the amount of water to rice.
Okay.
So get that in a pan with some salt. It's cold water and we're just adding it and then bringing it to the boil.
Okay.
And then put a lid on and turn the heat down to kind of medium-low and then let it cook for 10 minutes exactly, and then remove it from the heat and don't touch the lid and leave it for another 10 minutes.
Don't touch the lid.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Easy.
It's the only thing my brother can cook. While the rice is on, we will get cracking on our beef.
Great.
Little drizzle of oil.
Awesome. Also, technically, you don't even need to use oil with this because there's lots of natural oils in the beef anyway, right?
Yeah.
Love that sizzle.
I know.
It's a very satisfying sound.
So while that is frying away, please could you mash these beans
Yes,
for
absolutely. You can just use a fork, right?
me? Exactly.
Easy. Cool.
Very easy.
Do we want like full mash or
Full
just
mash.
Full mash.
So
Okay.
that's half the beans we're going to use.
Okay. So why do we mash half of them?
It's just to thicken the sauce, basically. We've kept some whole for some nice texture, and then going to mash the rest to thicken it all up.
I like that, using the same ingredients to achieve 2 different things.
Exactly.
Where you'd otherwise maybe use like flour or something.
Yeah.
Do you want it more?
No, that's perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
The beef is really nicely browned, so I'm going to add the shallot.
And why do you do it separately?
If you cook the shallot first, it will stew when you add
Gotcha.
the meat after, and you want the shallot to cook in the meaty juices.
Gotcha.
I think it's time for the rice to come off the heat.
Yay, I'm excited to see this perfect rice.
Nervous.
Don't be. Oh, I was just about
We
to say,
can't
take the
touch
lid off. Don't touch the lid. So 10 minutes on the heat,
Yeah.
but you've taken it down, and then 10 minutes no heat, but lid stays on.
Exactly.
Okay.
If it takes a bit longer, it doesn't matter. It can just sit for
It can sit.
for a bit
Okay,
longer.
fine.
Yeah. So we're obviously all about flavour. We've got some really good chipotle paste and some garlic.
Yum.
So gonna cook it off for about a minute.
That chipotle is going into my
Yes, spicy.
into my nostrils.
So now we're just gonna put some passata in, along with water, just because we want to simmer it for a bit.
Okay. Otherwise, it will reduce too much.
Exactly.
Okay.
And the beans will really thicken it up.
Oh yeah, of course. We've got
Your beans.
the good old mashed beans.
Exactly. Just got a bit of beef stock paste. If you could add your beans, and then we'll put the whole beans in too. We're just going to bring it to the boil and then reduce the heat and just let it simmer until it's really nice and thick. It's about 5 minutes, doesn't take that long. While everything is cooking, we're just going to make a little dressing with lime and then a bit of olive oil, a good pinch of salt and some pepper. The trick with dressing tomatoes is you want to add them to the dressing, and then the salt will draw out the juice from the tomato, and it will just kind of make your dressing even nicer.
Amazing. That's nice. Then you don't actually need to use too much oil either.
Exactly.
Right? Okay.
We're just gonna prep the lettuce, so half, but I'm not actually gonna add the lettuce to the dressing until right the last minute because we don't want to wilt.
Keep it nice and fresh.
Want to keep it fresh. Moment of truth for the rice.
Looks
It's
good.
perfect.
It's perfect.
You don't need to drain it or anything.
It's all absorbed.
Absorbed all the water. If you could also zest the lime.
Yep.
And then stir it into your sour cream.
For sure.
Little bed of rice.
Nice. Very good looking rice.
Very good looking rice. A little bit of the chili on one
Smells
side.
amazing.
And then that on that side.
I'm excited to
And
try
then a little dollop of your lime sour cream.
it. Yum.
So there you go, taste time.
I want to try get a little bit of everything, but that might be ambitious for the first go. I'll start with the beef and the sour cream. So much flavor. And like easy and quick.
So quick.
Like, it blows my mind. It really does. I love it. So good. Our members are going to love this. Delicious.
Great.
Thank you. I love it.
I'm so glad you enjoyed it, and now you're an expert at cooking rice as well.
Yes.
If you want to also enjoy this delicious meal, just head to the HelloFresh website. All the WW recipes are signposted on there, and all the WW recipe cards have got all the smart points on there, so very, very easy for you to enjoy this recipe.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Our members are going to absolutely love this dish. It is incredible. Thank you so much.
Thank you.